welcome to my treasure nugget for today. Welcome to my treasure nugget for today. And I'm in for a lovely day at work today. With working at Clint today. And so guys, pretty much I'm actually walking along. So today I'm starting a working day at work. Pretty much today I'm going to have some breakfast this morning. I'm going to start having some breakfast. Going to get some money out of the bank, and I'm going to have some brekkie, and basically I'm going to start my working day at work. So it's going to be an interesting day. And also change the scenery. Apart from my rubbish above my desk and all that, I'm actually in Sunbury. I'm actually in the heart of Sunbury today, and I like the start of a working week and basically doing things like that. Yeah, it's very nice to be out in the fresh air, especially in winter. Very, very cold at the moment, isn't it? Anyhow, I want to give you guys the daily rant, and this is a part 3 about yes, as you know, about pranksters. Yes, YouTube pranksters. Very, very funny. As I said earlier on, I absolutely enjoy watching them, especially when you're feeling down the dumps. These videos seem to cheer up a bit when you're feeling down in the dumps. So yeah, watching people make a fool of themselves on YouTube is actually quite hilarious. So yeah, so if you guys get a sense of humour, I'll put in the description below some of my favourite pranksters on YouTube, and you can go and check them out. Okay, thank you for so much for watching today's video. It's very short, I'm afraid, very short instalment. Leave a comment and subscribe. It's great here. Well, you can actually please don't forget to tap that bell.